High school hockey, Gavin Sudlow, Bowling Green hosting Avon. First period, no score. Bobcats' Luke Johnson carries a nice move to beat the defenseman. Goes glove side, Bowling Green with the lead. Go to the second, still a 1-0 game. Bobcats' Shane Cassidy just sending the puck deflects off the Eagles' skate into the net. It's a 2-0 lead. Later in the second, Bobcats controlling the puck. Johnson, the touch pass to Bryce Eversbach. It's a 3-0 lead. The onslaught would continue. Now a 4-0 lead when the freshman Rhett Winger gets his first career goal, but he's celebrating like a senior. Ninth grader, the only ninth grader on the team. Sudlow doesn't allow a goal, 6-0 the final. Johnson, a goal and 2 assists as Ben Wilcox caught up with him after the game.
Yeah, I mean, we've been just preaching, get pucks to the net, and that's what we did today, and it worked out for us in the best.
Now, when we covered your game against St. Francis early on, and the power play going 0 for 6 seemed like something that had really hurt you, but the puck movement and getting those shots in tight a lot more seemed to really help you finally break through on it.
Yeah, I mean, we've been working on our power play a lot in practice, so to come out today and have it successful like it was a big deal for us.
Matt Crandall joins Ben with more on this one.
Back here one final time at Slater Family Ice Arena, Bowling Green, a big 6-0 win over Avon, and a really complete effort out of the Bobcats, Matt, that pushed them through, showing a lot of scoring depth and passing it around well, and finally some breaking through on the power play as well.
Yeah, great effort by Bowling Green all the way around. You had the goal and the 2 assists by Johnson. Casson had a goal and 2 assists. The first career goal by the freshman Rhett Winger, and Sudlow threw an easy shutout, but he did throw the shutout, had a couple of nice saves. So an all-around great effort by, I thought, Bowling Green Bobcats today.
Yeah, you had to tip your cap to how well their special teams looked. This penalty kill as well, doing a great job. Honestly, getting more pressure sometimes than the Avon power play.
Yeah, they got some real game breakers on this Bowling Green team this year. I'm excited what they can do, what they can build, because I like the way things are looking down here in BG.
Yeah, this is a big homestand weekend for the Bobcats. They get a couple big wins over Walsh Jesuit and the Avon Eagles.